Hello everyone, my name is Oscar Martinez. Welcome to Oscar Cocina. Today I'm going to be making my own version of meatloaf sandwich with some potato wedges and a different kind of coleslaw today. We're going to change it up. So it's going to be so delicious, a little on the sweet side but spicy. It's going to be on. Come on everyone, just follow me. Booyah! Alright everyone, we're going to go through the ingredients. We got, of course, beer for marinate the meat. This bread right here caught my eyes today. It's Russian rye bread. We'll try it out. It looks delicious. Salt, Lowry salt. We got eggs underneath, black pepper. We got this sauce right here, barbecue sauce for the coleslaw. We're going to change it up, you know, something different. And we have spicy garlic ranch dressing spread. It's going to be like a spread. We have the meat, of course, 92% lean. We got breadcrumbs underneath, Worcestershire, olive oil, teriyaki sauce, ketchup, red onions, cabbage, potatoes, garlic, and a little spicy. You know, I gotta have the spicy. Onions and bell peppers. Let's go have some fun. Come on, follow me. Okay, now we're gonna add on some Worcestershire. You know, just add to your taste. Now we're gonna add some teriyaki sauce. I would say about 1.5 tablespoons as well. We're gonna add some pepper. Okay, we're gonna add some salt. I know everyone tells me, Oscar, man, you use a lot of salt. You know what? I got everything down, man. My daughter have yet to complain, so. Okay. That should be plenty. We're gonna add one egg in there. And we're gonna add on some breadcrumbs. I would say about that much. And you know, I gotta have some beer on it, you know. That's what give a really good taste to it. We're gonna chop up some onions. You can put the whole onion in there if you like, or half. I think I'm gonna use, you know, I'm gonna cut it like about 3/4. So the other quarter we'll just leave on the side. So we're gonna crush the bell pepper with the garlic together. This is the small bell pepper, so you could probably cut 3 of each, you know, just to give a nice extra color to it. We're gonna add the vegetables in it. And we're gonna mix it together. Looks like we're gonna add a little more breadcrumbs in there, just to thicken it up a little bit. There you go. Awesome. Perfect. Now we're gonna put it in a container where we're gonna throw it in an oven, 350 degrees. I would say roughly 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, this is a big onion right here, so we're gonna add on probably just a quarter of it. We're gonna add on a little sun-dried chili pepper. It's hot, so it'll have a little bite to it, you know. Okay, now we're gonna add on that barbecue sauce right here for that. It's gonna be like a barbecue coleslaw, something different, you know. It should match perfectly with the meatloaf sandwich. We're gonna use about 3/4 of this little bottle right here. We're gonna mix it around. All right, now that we washed the potato, you don't have to peel it, you know. We're gonna make it into potato wedges. All right, now we're gonna add seasoned salt. All right, we're gonna check on the meatloaf. It's been cooking for an hour. It's got about half an hour left. It's been cooking there for an hour. So I would say roughly about an hour and a half. And in about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, just throw the ketchup on top and we're gonna see the results. Alright, this is what I'm doing now. I added some oil and then some fresh garlic. And that way the oil will catch a nice garlicky flavor. It's almost time to get it out. Alright, so we're gonna take the garlic out. Alright, now that we got the fries, potato wedges cooking, I would say roughly around, probably like 4 or 5 minutes on each side, you know, till it gets a nice golden brown. Alright, let's check this baby out. Oh, perfect. It's been about, I would say roughly about 6-7 minutes, and the fire should be probably like a medium. Alright, let's check the meatloaf. It looks like it's ready. It's been sitting there for an hour and a half. And we're just gonna wait in the fries, fix up the plate, and the best part's coming up. Alright, here we go. We're gonna dress the sandwich up. Nice and crunchy. Coleslaw, buffalo barbecue coleslaw. We're gonna close this baby. Slice it up in half. Potato wedges. And of course, can't forget about the ketchup. Alright everyone, here comes the best part. Potato wedges first. It's got a little of that garlic flavor. Let's try this puppy out. That rye bread with the buffalo coleslaw and the meatloaf. What a perfect combination. Cheers everyone. Alright everyone, thank you all very much for your comment, subscription, like. Have a good evening. Love you all. Take care. Booyah!